Debbie Jian, and I'm so excited to be here with Rabbi Eisenkot and the Rebbitzin to do this Challah bake. It's Rosh Chodesh Kislev, and it's such an amazing event with over 80 women. We're going to not just bake Challah, but we're going to have intention and put in spirituality and put in healing and happiness.
Ladies, I know that everybody has their own recipe. I know that everybody has their own way of making the challah. The difference here is the unity. We want to make this all together. We're going to do the meditations. Me and the Rebbitzin will do the meditations, and then each one will do it in their own bowl.
So I'm very proud of my wife, Debbie, for doing this event. So beautiful to see something like this happening, getting all the women together, connecting to one another, have some happiness between the souls.
So please, you have the little cups of the sugar. We're going to put it in.
So we give our work, we give our heart, our mind, and love to the challah. And that's why we want to give it to our families, Shabbat, Rosh Chodesh, and everything.
We are making sure that people will be connecting and understanding what they're doing and doing it with happiness. And that's really what it's all about.
Those of you who don't know my wife, Debbie, okay, she organized many Afrashot Challah all over the world now. Unity together. So the whole night is truly about how do we bring this unification.
See the potential in everything. Motivate yourself to lead by being merciful. Understand that things that didn't work out before have an opportunity to work out this month of Kislev, just like finding the light in everything we do in Hanukkah. So give it another minute. Let the bowls sit. Don't uncover them. When we uncover them, we'll do it together, and then we'll keep going.
Amazing, amazing event. May this synagogue continue with blessings and see it grow and see it flourish. I just want to say how beautiful this is, and I want to thank everybody. I want to wish everybody that all their wishes come true. B'ezras Hashem.
Please, God, help me to have softness and flexibility in serving you. May anyone who eats from the bread that comes from this be granted physical and emotional health to serve God. Bless me.
Me and my husband Daniel have been studying Kabbalah with vital transformation for many years, and every time we take the lessons, it really feels transformation for our souls. And it's such a blessing to have opportunity to meditate and pray together with community. These lessons took us to another level of spirituality, to have better connection to God, better understanding of meaning, purposes of life.
Grant us good livelihood, happiness, and blessings in all the work of our hands. And may everyone who eats of this bed draw closer to you, have their hearts open to serve God, and they may desire only you. Ladies, we're going to cover the dough, and we're going to eat. We're going to have food for everybody. So it's time to talk, have